Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're gonna be doing a sound effect video. Starting now. Ow.